you like alligators?
No.
Rob!
Daddy's not.
I like that one. Home Sweet Home.
Oh, that's it.
Or Sweet,
No, Home Sweet Home.
Which one? The one with the red?
Home.
This one is nice, the one that says welcome.
This one says welcome but colorful.
Oh, the arrow, cause the LO in the mat in the door thingy. I have a thing on the thing that says hello with an arrow in it. That's doing too much.
You need something that's gonna be there for you. The welcome.
It's too small.
That's good for the garage.
This one?
That's good just for the garage.
Alright, get that one. It's $4.99.
But it's gonna move.
It's gonna move? Alright, try this. That one right there.
But when you walk in from the garage.
I mean H.
This good? Alright. That's for the garage. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want this plant for the front.
I mean J.
It's on clearance too. It's 38 something for the front of the house. What? Let me find out. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, I love this.
Are you even vlogging, Mommy?
Yeah, I like this.
It's so cool.
It is cool.
It changes.
It changes? I like it. And then they have another one. We don't have any throw pillows. Here. See how much that is.
Okay.
Cause no, we need both. Cause we need one for one and one end thing. So ask Daddy if he likes some.
Daddy, do you like these?
No, that is.
Those?
It's a throw pillow. We're back in the elevator.
Elevator.
We how much we spent? $80? No, 104. Oh yeah. So we spent $102 later at Target, and I got 2 pillows for our new couches and 2 mats, one for the front door and one for the garage. And what else we got? I got some stuff for my face and my hair and food for dinner. I'm cooking curry chicken. Yeah. So I gotta go home and cookie curry chicken. Curry chicken. So yeah, that should be fun.
Carrying a baby plus one hand camera.
I got it. Get in. Put her in. Get in the car.
In the car seat?
Yeah. Here. That's it. Get in the car. Here, Gio.
Thank you.
Watch your leg, young lady. So, yeah. I prefer Target than Walmart. It's just so much, it's more peaceful, except for when, you know, there's stuff ring up wrong. It's like, and then we just had that happen where the pillows were on clearance for like 15 something and it rang up for 21, and I'm like, no way, Jose, because the other one was ringing up 15 and this one is 21. No, I'm not paying you $6 more for something that should be. So the manager fixed it, and yeah, so I got my 2 pillows, the throw pillows. I'm gonna show you. Hubby's not in love with them, but he likes them, if that makes any sense. Oh, struggling with this belt. So I'll see you guys once we get home.
No.
Put your head down.
my head.
Fix her headband.
Yeah, she just got it from the cart. Daddy, Desi just got it from the cart. That cart.
Look at me, girls.
Let's see if I can do a black.
Okay.
Oh, Lord. Why is she having a meltdown?
Because she pulls grass on her legs. Oh!
All right, get her out of there. The dog poops in there. Come on, let's go. All right, that's enough.
Dog poop.
Are these hot?
Yeah. Maddie was coughing.
They're good.
They're spicy.
There you go.
Don't let her go. Okay, guys, so we're back from Target, and I only brought 2 things in because it makes no sense bringing everything. So we got 2 mats and one for the garage when you come in, and then one for the front. And then I got these throw pillows. I couldn't pass them up. They were originally $21, and I got them for $15. What was it? I got it for $15.36 for both. And then this one was an online order that got returned, so it's still in its package. It's still shrink wrapped, so yeah. Okay, guys, so I got Edgemax Maurice. I've never tried this, but now that my hair is short, I need to be able to maintain it so my husband does not think I'm a boy. I also got this hair milk. This is Carol's daughter. I've never tried this brand before, so we're gonna see. And I'm trying to grow my hair really long. And I got the satin bonnet. I swear I have a million of these, but I can never find them. We got some fruit and nut trail mix that Madison already, she's got some Chessman. If you guys have never tried Chessman cookies, oh, you don't know what you're missing. This one is my husband's favorite. Is Milano. So Marcelo loves this one, and I love this one. So yeah, look, perfect match. What else? I also got this African black soap for my face because I want to clear up all the black spots and dark spots that is on my face, and this thing just makes a beautiful backdrop. So I got this, and it had really good and bad reviews, so I'm gonna try it for myself. And Daddy got the kids some cookie just because Mommy and Daddy got cookies, so he got them cookies. And I think that's it. Yeah, guys, so
We love Mommy's hair.
this is my big baby. Look at him.
The firstborn.
The firstborn. I love him.
Yay.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
They're not really camera. They're not really
Hi.
camera
See,
people.
I wanna be a
and
YouTuber.
This is my other baby. This one was my baby for the longest time. He walked at 18 months, I think. For the longest time he crawled, but he had he was diagnosed several years ago, and I think I shared on here what he was diagnosed with, and I really don't put their business out there too much. Every now and then I will say what it is that's wrong with this guy, but other than that, he's perfect. He's my Jojo, and this is my JJ, and they both have medical problems. And this is my beautiful princess, and
You don't have any.
she's perfect
And the farting guy.
in her own way. And then Mr. Jackson right here is a baby. He should have been a girl, but he turned out to be a boy. And then this is the girl that blessed our family. Yes. Hi. So that's my family in a nutshell. I don't know why I just did that. That was totally random. Okay, Maddie, the camera don't need to be on you at all times. Say hello. Are you gonna whine? Want a cookie? So, I gotta go cook curry chicken because I told my husband I would cook curry chicken. So, don't whine, don't whine, don't whine. Say please. Say please. Say please. Here.
What are these on?
Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Oh my gosh, why this lady came for me yesterday. She went and looked on my profile. And she was like, cause she said something and I commented back. And she was like, what she said? You can't have the whole bag. Let go, I got her. You can't have the whole bag.
Maddie, come here.
Oh look, a dress. Here. Here. So she said something and I comment back. Say excuse me. Okay. And she commented something and I commented back. And I guess she didn't like the fact that I commented back to her or something. Because you know those bullies that like to bully other people but they don't like people saying stuff to them. So homegirl went to go look at my my Facebook page and she was like, ooh, I know you ain't talking because you wear boys, go finish your chores and stop staring in my mouth.
I'm not.
She was like, I know you ain't talking because you wear synthetic wigs. Honey child, is that all? Is that all? You went to go look at my profile picture and that's all you could pick out? Is that I wear synthetic wig? Let's not get it twisted, okay? I might wear synthetic wigs, but at the end of the day, my babies are taken care of like all day, every day, okay, honey? Like you couldn't. It was so sad. It was so sad. And then she was like, I got your husband's profile. I got his whatnot. I got his I got your husband's profile. No, she was like, I got your husband's Facebook. I'm gonna go message him to let him know how his wife is on here acting. And I'm like, please, please. That man could care less, okay? So I was like, go right ahead and go complain to my husband about how I'm behaving. Because, but hang on, you're being rude. You're being rude. Even though they're not here in our living room, they're still here, okay?
Yeah.
Anyway, back to the story. So at the end of the day, when I was done arguing with her, I went to go pray, and God, the Lord just kept on convicting me. Like he just kept saying, you need to apologize. You need to go and apologize to that lady. At the end of the day, she's a human being. At the end of the day, she's a person. You know, you don't know what people are going through. You don't know their struggles. You don't know whether or not she had a bad day. You know, you don't know any of that. So you need to go apologize. So I got up after I finished saying my prayer, because I pray every single night before I go to sleep. And I went and I tagged her name and I said, I apologize for my behavior. 2 wrongs don't make a right. And it was out of character for me to behave that way, and I apologized, and she apologized, and we both went our ways. But it was just, it wasn't even that she said that bothers me, because that doesn't bother me. Because trust believe, if I wanted human hair on my head, honey child, human hair would be on my head, okay? If I wanted to be decked out to the gods, I could be decked out to the gods, but that's not priority right now. That material things mean nothing to me. These 5 little human beings and my husband is my priority, and they're the ones that means the most to me in this whole entire world. So material things will come and go, you know what I mean? And at the end of the day, when you die, you can't take that crap with you, you know what I mean? It's a relationship that you have with people, you know. It's your heart and your soul, and you as a human being, and how you interact with other people. That's what matters the most, not material things, okay? So I just went on that little rant to just let you guys know that, yeah, I look this way because it's by choice, you know. I could look better, but I don't want to because that's a waste of money, a resource that my husband. Anyway, I gotta go because he's here. Say hi to the peeps, babe.
Hello.
He's very excited to talk to you guys. Just his whole demeanor right there. And if you see us wearing the same shirt and outfits over and over again, that's because we're living out of boxes. We have 7 outfits each, and we have to make it go for how long we're here. We only have 2 more weeks to go. So I'll see you guys later.